So, you probably clicked on this video because you want to make money with Instagram, and you already watched all the YouTube videos but still don't know what to do. Great thing for you that I am here to explain how to make your first money with Instagram
Money.
only using AI. And what does this random AI avatar know about Instagram? I grew this account to 40,000 followers in just 6 months, and this month I made my first $5,000.
The sweet smell of an all-day sucker.
And other accounts probably make even more, and I am not trying to sell you anything, at least not yet.
Yeah, boy.
So in this video, I will show you the full process to create your own faceless Instagram channel, from choosing a niche, creating an account, and making your first money. And all I use are free AI tools, so take your pen and paper and be ready to make your first money. This will not be edited, so you can follow every step easily. Okay, the first thing we need is a niche. Most people go to YouTube and look for the best Instagram niches, but most of the times they are very generic niches. I am not saying that a motivational niche would not work today, but we'll still show you how I found the niche that got me the best results. First, we will go to ChatGPT. Don't look at me like that. I know every YouTuber talks about ChatGPT, but I will show you a different way to use this AI. First, ask ChatGPT for the best faceless Instagram niches. You will get very broad answers, but they are still pretty interesting. Then I go to Instagram. If I want to start a faceless motivational channel, I try to understand if a new motivational account could go viral. For example, look at this account after 200 videos. This channel got over 3 million followers. So this could be an interesting niche for you. But there are so many motivational accounts under the hashtag that it'd be very hard to stick out. So I looked for another niche that ChatGPT gave me. I thought that the travel niche was very interesting, but to lower the competition, I wanted to focus on a specific part of the travel niche. So I asked ChatGPT again, is it smart to focus on a specific country? And look at that, my friend ChatGPT liked the idea. So to check if this niche has any potential, I went to TikTok and I looked for channels that fit my idea. Look at this one, it looks like a perfect fit. Or look at this one, he makes millions of views every video. Okay, the idea works on TikTok. Let's go to Instagram and check if it also works on Instagram. The same channel has over 20,000 followers with his first 40 videos. I noticed that most of these accounts just promote their TikTok in the bio because they want to make money with the TikTok creativity program. And I will show you how to do that in the future too. But they don't realize that there is a way better way to make money with an Instagram channel like this. Okay, now we have our niche. I stuck with the travel niche, but you can pick any other niche you want, but try to narrow it down to lower the competition. Now let's create our Instagram account. Go to Instagram and create a new account. It's easy for now, just type in any name you want. You can change it anytime. Okay, now you have a new Instagram account, but what now? The first thing to do is to create an Instagram name and a profile picture. For the name, go to ChatGPT again and ask for a name. It should be about the niche you are in, so people can find your account easier. I choose this name for my account. To create a profile picture, let's take inspiration from other creators. The pictures are very easy and either have the name in them. So look for any Instagram profile picture generator like this one. Click on any template you like and start customizing it. Keep it easy and be creative. Okay, let's take those and put them into our account. For the bio, choose one that explains what your account is about and makes users follow you. I described the account in a quick sentence. Don't sweat it and try to put in keywords that will help people find your account. Last thing is to make sure that your account is not set private. Okay, now that we have our account, how will we create our first video? Before doing anything, use your account and look for other creators in your niche. You should use your account as a normal account. Look for other creators, like, and comment on other posts. So after a while, your reels will only have videos you can use as inspiration. Okay, boy, I know if you're still watching, you maybe wonder what the next step is. How will you create your first video? And how will it go viral? This really depends on your niche, but I will show you how I create my viral videos step by step. First, we will go to TikTok. Find an account in your niche. For example, this one looks like a great fit for me. Now on the desktop version of TikTok, you can filter for the most popular videos. Look at this one, it looks perfect, and I know that this topic can go viral. But we need to understand why this video got so many views. To go viral, you need to talk about something people would not expect or even shock some people, like a pyramid in the USA if you're creating motivational videos. Something that makes people think about their life. Okay, let's create some videos. To get some awesome drone shots, go to Google Earth Studio and create an account. Getting verified could take a couple days. Now choose one of the templates and type in the place you want to make a video about. The tool will start making the video and you can make some changes to it, so it looks better. After submitting, start rendering and change the dimensions of the video so it can fit in a TikTok video. I will do something like this. With the finished video, we will create the voiceover for the video. For that, go to 11 Labs, the best free AI voice generator on the market. And I am not sponsored by them, but I have been using this AI for the last months. Begin by clicking on the voice library. With the free version, you cannot create a own voice, but you can choose one of the voices from the library. There are many viral voices. Just choose one that you like. I will pick this one. I think it sounds perfect. I'm not interested in age. People who tell me their age are sick. Okay, perfect. Now that we have our voice, we will need a script. For that, go to Gemini the AI by Google and type in what you want the AI to create. Describe that you want to have a TikTok script and that you want to catch the attention of the viewers. It should include the topic of your video. The script will be great, but to actually catch the attention of the viewer, you will need to create the hook on your own. So think of something creative and ask the AI to change the video script for you. Now take your script and go to 11 Labs again. Just put it in and delete every part you don't need. And boom, this is a perfect script and I think it could help the video go viral. You will get a voiceover like this. If the USA stole one of the pyramids from Egypt? Okay, last thing we need to make our video go viral is B-roll material. And where do you find perfect B-roll footage? Boom, it's Google. Yeah, just type your topic in Google and look for images that fit to your script. Like this image would look amazing with the video. This is, so the video won't bore the viewer and make him swipe away. Okay, now that we have everything for our video, let's edit it to make our viewers go crazy. Okay, let me teach you a little about editing videos. If you want a full guide, go on the free Discord in the video description. I will soon post a full tutorial on creating videos with CapCut and even how to use AI to automate that editing in the future. Okay, this is CapCut, the best free editing software on the market. I will teach you the basics in a few minutes. First, import all your files that you need to create a video. First, put in the voiceover and the video of the pyramid. Now try to delete all the spaces in the voiceover so there aren't so many silent spaces in the video. Now put in all the B-roll footage you screenshotted when it fits the best. Just use the cutting tool and insert the images. Use transitions, and if you want, you can use the Canva feature of CapCut and create a blurry background so it looks even better. Okay. Now after finishing the voiceover and video, we will need to put in some subtitles. If you ever tried to create subtitles, you may notice that you can only create 2 free subtitles with a free CapCut account. Here is a little trick to overcome this problem. First, export your video and download it. Now go to the CapCut website. It is basically the same, but you can create as many subtitles as you want. So click on text and choose the automated subtitles. In a few seconds, this tool will create your subtitles for you. Now choose your favorite font and change the settings a bit to have unique subtitles. You can even select an animation and make it even more engaging. And that's it. This is your video that will make you go viral. Just download it and be ready for the last step. If you're still here, you really want to make some money, huh? So let me know if you want more ways to make money with AI by giving this video a like and commenting anything. Let's go to the really interesting part of the video. How to upload the video. Take out your phone and go to your account. Click on the plus sign on the bottom and choose the video you want to upload. Maybe you ask yourself what to write in the video description and which hashtags to use. Go to notonlyanalytics.com and type in another creator in your niche. Look at this one. You can see which hashtags he uses and which video go more viral than others. Now go to your phone again and think of a video description and try to use some keywords. Don't struggle too much with the hashtags and don't use too many. Use some that fit to your topic and some that target a specific audience. And that's it. Click on upload and your first video will be uploaded on Instagram. If you want to see how this video performed, go to the Findings on Earth account and give it a like. Now let's recap real quick what we have done so far. First, we found our niche and created a new account. Then you learned how to create every important piece of a viral video and how to edit it. Now, how will you make money with an Instagram account like this? I watch so many videos on this and many people talk about partnerships or selling your own products. But I think that I found the best way to monetize an Instagram theme page like this. Okay, let me give you a little example. This is the Business Insider Instagram account, and they don't sell anything or have any physical business, they have a newsletter. Look at this one, it doesn't even look that amazing, but I know they make thousands of dollars every month. Maybe you already heard of the newsletter business from all the gurus on YouTube, but they describe the newsletter business wrong to you. Let me explain. This is Beehive, probably the biggest newsletter platform on the market, but how can you make money with this? Let's say you create a newsletter and people click on the link in your bio, then they subscribe to your newsletter. After that, they get a pop-up window where they can subscribe to 3 other free newsletters. And for every new subscriber, you will get up to $3. So you could be making a ton of money, right? When you listen to the YouTubers, that would be a big yes. But in reality, these people try to make money with the referral program of Beehive. But damn, look at this income. Maybe I lied and there will be a link to Beehive in the video description. If you want to create a free account, just click it.
Yeah, boy.
But it can be expensive, so first try the free account. I will show you how to create a cheaper newsletter and how put in those paid recommendations pop-ups without buying a expensive monthly membership. I will show you how to create your first landing page and how to create a newsletter using AI. Also, I will show you how even a freshly created newsletter is able to make money and that you can start with a smaller audience. For now, follow this YouTube account and click on the bell to not miss the next video. Go in the description and click on the Instagram accounts and see how they are going. Maybe even go on the newsletter to take some inspiration. For now, start creating your first viral Instagram account and come back in a few weeks to learn how to make money from it. But that will be in the second video. I know you want to know everything, but man, let me have some mystery for now. I was once in your position trying to make money online, and I hope I can be the reason you make your first money. So goodbye for now. I hope I will see you again.